barbecue and other things I want to do. And the other day I was looking at a video where a YouTube friend of mine named Scott got Real Show Barbecue, cooked a steak, and he used a garlic oil, and it was a store-bought garlic oil, and he was doing it for a collaboration with Papa Texas or something like that. And I like Papa Texas channel too. And anyway, I didn't even know you could buy garlic oil. And I put a comment there, and I was kind of embarrassed because I thought the comment sounded like I was being critical of store-bought garlic oil. I was just generally surprised that you could buy it. And so I mentioned that I made my own, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do a recipe tonight that involves garlic oil. So why don't I just go ahead and do a video about making garlic oil, and then I can just link this video anytime I use a recipe that does garlic oil. All right, I got about 3 cloves of garlic, and to be honest, they're probably not the freshest garlic. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slice them. My hand's probably in the way because I'm on the other side of the camera, but I'm just gonna slice them and throw the sprouts out. If they're not real fresh and started to sprout, get rid of that part, all right? But I'm just gonna slice it, all right? Like that. And any green parts, if they started to sprout, get rid of that because that part can be bitter, all right? You know how that works. Just kind of pull that out of there. Of course, it's not working on camera. There it is. The green part's out. Anyway, I'm gonna slice up the other 2, and I'll show you what we do. All right, I've got a carbon steel skillet. I'm gonna put about 2 ounces of olive oil in the skillet. It's kind of an old one, and it doesn't sit level anymore. And I'm gonna throw in those garlic pieces, just like that. Pretty much real time right here. Let me get the camera focused a little bit better where we need to be. All right, just kind of, and this stove goes to 9 and it's on 6.5, so I guess that's medium-high heat. All right, you see how they're starting to turn brown? By the way, you can eat these pieces too if you don't burn them. If you burn them, they get nasty, and so does the oil. Just fry them up in the oil. When they're brown, they're done. You see that? About the color you want. Now that was real-time video. All right, got that garlic oil. Smells delicious, like garlic oil. It's really not bad. It's not the oil from garlic. It's olive oil flavored like garlic. And you could do it with another cooking oil too. It's easy to do. You get these little golden pieces of garlic too. Those are actually kind of good. A little bit of lanyap. Big Lou Barbecue. Most of this video was in real time. I didn't do much editing. It doesn't take long to make homemade garlic flavored oil. You can smell it. Tastes good too on recipes, steaks, whatever. I'm about to put some on some fish. Big Lou Barbecue.